got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
You're good, bro. Hey.
What you got running in here, man?
6 ZVX dual 1 Skars on 3 smart 8Ks.
15s, right?
Yep. Watch out, Allie. Still breaking them in.
Yeah, I was like, these things look brand new. I seen your manual up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Just put it in.
Where can I find you on social media?
Team 2Po, Shane Miller.
Okay. I appreciate somebody to know you, man. I try to tag you in the video.
Take it easy, bro.
You too, man.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.